Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Mandate. Mandate means official order. For example, a mandate to seek the release of political prisoners. A mandate to seek the release of political prisoners. Synonyms: instruction, directive, direction.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. These are not proclamations, orders, or mandates. Now, repeat after me. These are not proclamations, orders, or mandates. The second exempli. Even some local trade officials ignored the new mandates to recruit women. Now, repeat after me. Even some local trade officials ignored the new mandates to recruit women. The third exempli. Last Sunday, he officially handed them the mandate to form a government. Now, repeat after me. Last Sunday, he officially handed them the mandate to form a government.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word abstemious has all the vowels in the alphabetical order. Other such words include abstentious, arious, arsenious, and facetious.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.